Hello, let's read Where is Christmas, Jessie Bear? Do you know Jessie Bear? Here's other stories with Jessie Bear, but this one is Where is Christmas, Jessie Bear? See, Olga's Christmas tree farm. They're bringing home their tree. Where is Christmas, Jessie Bear? I see Christmas over there, marching to the door, knock, knock, boom. Come on in, Christmas, we'll make room. Decorations from the attic spilling down the stairs, strings of lights and snowflakes, garland-covered chairs. Where is Christmas, Jessie Bear? I touch Christmas over there. Baubles on the branches, needles on the tree, scratchy, smooth, and prickly, tickling you and me. Sticking on the stamps, marking off the days, wrapping all the gifts for family far away. Post office, mail early. Where is Christmas, Jessie Bear? I smell Christmas over there, baking in the kitchen, fudge and ginger bears, hot, spicy apple cider steaming up the air. Ooh. Lemon sugar cookies, stars and Christmas trees, cinnamon and sprinkles decorating me. Where is Christmas, Jessie Bear? I hear Christmas over there, clanging at the shops, singing on the street, humming merry music, drumming with my feet. Here's holiday giving, wishing well to every bear at holiday time and all the year. Winding up the music box, playing of the chimes, ringing of the sleigh bells, jingle jangle time. Jingle, 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 jingle. Where is Christmas, Jessie Bear? I know Christmas moves out there, shopping with the crowds, skating at the park, in the park, moving house to house, caroling in the dark. Prancing with the reindeer, grazing with the sheep, flying with the angel wings, wiggle, jiggle, leap. Where is Christmas, Jessie Bear? I feel Christmas everywhere, warming up my heart, lighting up your face, joy to the world, peace in this place. There's Mama, Papa, Jessie. Shining in the candles, snuggling in the chair, snowing on the outside, it's here, Jessie Bear. The Night Before Christmas by Clement Moore. Cookies for Santa. Christmas is here. Merry Christmas from Jessie Bear. Peace, joy, love. That was called Where is Christmas, Jessie Bear? If you enjoyed that Christmas story, there's a whole playlist full of them on my channel. So go ahead and look at that, check it out, enjoy it, and subscribe. Come back often, and I'll see you next time here on Stories with Grandma.